Ever had a ticket waiting on a customer reply, but you don't want it sitting active in your queue? Snooze Tickets in BoldDesk lets you pause it until the right time and automatically bring it back when you're ready to work on it. In this video, you'll learn how to snooze a ticket, manage snooze tickets, and understand exactly what happens behind the scenes while a ticket is snoozed. To get started, sign in to your BoldDesk agent portal, go to the Tickets module, and open the ticket you want to pause temporarily. Here, open the More Options icon dropdown and select Snooze Ticket. A dialog will appear with several snooze duration options. You can snooze the ticket for a day, week, month, or a custom date and time. The Custom option gives you the most flexibility, allowing you to choose a future date and time up to 1 year ahead. The minimum snooze duration is 4 hours, and past dates cannot be selected. Choose the option that fits your workflow, then click Confirm Snooze. Note that closed tickets cannot be snoozed. Once the ticket is snoozed, BoldDesk handles a few things automatically. First, the ticket status changes to snoozed. Snoozed tickets are treated as tickets on hold in the report's dashboard. Then, the ticket becomes read-only for agents. This helps ensure that nobody accidentally updates, replies to, or modifies the ticket while it's in a waiting period. Next, BoldDesk records important information behind the scenes, including the ticket's previous status and the exact date and time when the ticket should be unsnoozed. A scheduler is also created so the system knows exactly when to reactivate the ticket automatically. If your team runs larger workflows, here's an important behavior to know. Snooze tickets cannot be modified using macros or bulk updates. They may still appear in ticket lists and selections, but they'll be skipped during the update process until they become active again. Another important benefit is SLA management. When a ticket is snoozed, the SLA is paused, ensuring agents aren't penalized for waiting periods that are outside their control. This is useful while awaiting a customer response or a scheduled follow-up date. Now, let's look at what happens if you need to change the snooze period. Open a snooze ticket and select Edit Snooze. You'll be able to choose a different preset duration or set a new custom date and time. Once you've made your changes, click Update. It's important to understand that editing a snooze doesn't reactivate the ticket. The ticket remains snoozed. The only thing that changes is the date and time when BoldDesk will unsnooze the ticket. This is useful when customers request additional time or when project timelines shift unexpectedly. Eventually, you'll need to bring the ticket back into active work. Simply open the snooze ticket and click Unsnooze Ticket. Confirm the action by selecting Yes, Unsnooze. The ticket will immediately return to its previous status, and it will be included in all the places that they are previously excluded. And if that previous status no longer exists, for example, if the status was deleted after the snooze, BoldDesk automatically moves the ticket to Open instead. Suppose a customer responds in a snooze ticket, either through email or the customer portal. BoldDesk automatically removes the snooze and restores the ticket's previous status so your team can respond promptly. This means you never have to worry about important customer replies getting stuck on a snooze ticket. It is important to note that for existing BoldDesk users, the snooze ticket feature is available on the Enterprise plan. If you'd like to try it yourself, head over to BoldDesk.com and explore snooze tickets in your workspace. If this tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more BoldDesk beginner guides. And if you haven't watched our previous workflow tutorials yet, check them out next to learn even more ways to keep your ticket queues organized and efficient. Thanks for watching.